Subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Wasay here and today we are going to unbox the Apple Watch SE in Pakistan. So let's begin the unboxing video. So here I have the Apple Watch SE. As you can see, we got Apple Watch written on the front. On the side we got nothing, and on the back we got some of its specification. So this is a space gray aluminium case with a black sports band. So this is a space gray color which is 44 mm, not the 40 mm. So this is the 44 mm Apple Watch in space gray color, and that's all on the back side. And here it says that you're going to need minimum iOS 14 in order to connect with your iPhone, and that's all. So let's open it. So we're not going to be using the knife because in nowadays Apple unboxing are usually done without knife because they have made everything tapped. So here we have our tab pull, so let's pull it. And here we have these pulls again, these tabs to pull open the box, and here it is, and it's looking pretty beautiful with the outer case. And inside we're going to have two boxes. One will have our actual Apple Watch SE and one will have the band. So here on the back you can see it says sport band, space black stainless steel pin, and that same thing is written in other languages. Here we have designed by Apple in California, assembled in China, etc. So again here we have a pull tab here as well. So we got this little green arrow. Here it is. So we're going to slide it out just like this. Apple Watch, and here we have it, the band itself. So here you can see we got the black band. So this is for the large size, and this is the medium large one, and this is the small medium one. So here it is. Again, very high and premium quality by Apple in making these bands. So now let's put this box aside as well, and let's see the actual box, which is the Apple Watch SE box. So here on the box again we have its model number, Apple Watch SE 44mm space gray alloy black sport band GPS, and nothing too much. So we can just pop open it because there is no seal on both sides. And here we go. So here we have our Apple Watch itself in this plasticky paperish thing. And here you can see the 44mm Apple Watch SE looking beautiful. So here on the side you got your digital crown, your power on off button, and on the other side, if you can see, you got your two speakers as well. On the back you got your sensors, and it's also written Apple Watch SE 44mm aluminium case. So it's looking gorgeous on the black color, and it is 44mm, so that's why its size is large. Now for the documentations, here we have this document, and this also showing how to use the Apple Watch. So you don't get any Apple stickers in it. And last but not least, the charging cable with the magnetic charging bay. You don't get the charger itself, so you need to buy it separately. And here we have it. So the other side is your usual USB-A cable, not a USB Type-C connector. And here we have the magnetic charger bay itself. For the watch, I'm just going to power it up, and then I'm going to come back after I set it up. So I'm just going to start it. You got the Apple logo, so now I'm just going to quickly set it up, and then I'm going to come back. So here you can see I have set it up the Apple Watch SE with my iPhone. Here you have your watch face, so you can change the watch face as well if you want. So all you're going to do, you're going to long press on it. You can either edit it or you're going to press on the new icon to set a new watch face, whichever one you like. Again, you can change the watch faces from here as well as from the Apple Watch app on your iPhone, as you can see right now. So you got a lot of different iPhone watch faces to choose from, so you can choose any of the one that you like for the Mickey Mouse we can set this. We are going to press on add, so it has been added to the watch faces. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to long press on it. I'm going to press on new. I'm going to swipe down using the digital crown as well, or by touching it. So the new watch face should be present that I just added. Here it is. I'm going to select it, and here you can see I have the new watch face. So anyways guys, this was just a quick unboxing video of the Apple Watch SE in Pakistan. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any kind of questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching and stay safe.